So, hi, very good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to the channel Fortune Forex, guys. Today it's 18th of August, and I'm shooting this video in London session. And you can see there was a spike in gold prices after a good push up. Prices is consolidating near the resistance, and you can see it in today's daily analysis. Welcome back all. We will going to do today's gold analysis, US dollar index analysis, Bitcoin analysis, and also US oil analysis. And also we will going to cover the important key support and resistance level for this particular week, as well as today's as an intraday trade setup. So you can see, let me just show you a price range today in the Asian market. What happened today? After giving a closing of gold around 3324, gold went down to 3323 almost, and from there gold got a bullish push up around $34 of movement in the morning of Asian session. And from there you can see, after a good push up, right now before London session start, prices like started coming down, and right now in London session prices is consolidating. So it's a result of whenever price push up and then there is a strong consolidation in the prices, it's a sign of again a bullish trend continuation. This is a kind of technical analysis sometimes happen, because if you see a price fall consolidation and there was again price push up and then again price down, so again it was pushed up by the buyers. So it's just a simple analysis that in Asian session you have seen $34 of movement, and right now prices consolidating near about 34 33.51. Now let me just delete all this and let me show you, whenever prices is consolidating and wicks are very high, you can see this is a 30 minutes chart live of gold, and almost from 3 hours gold is continuously trading in this particular tight zone, and which is respecting the above side of 33.52. It just made a high of 33.55 where we have achieved our final target, because we have generated a signal from 33.46 and 48 levels, and from there it just touched our final target and then came back down. So being a safe side trader, being an intraday trader, how you will going to find a good trade today and what will be the key support and resistance level? Let's find out. So we have clearly seen a price is reacting towards in the London session, and then I think so if price beat this particular resistance level, then prices are keep continuously pushing up, and buyers will heavily active in this particular point, and they will going to take a charge, and it might be possible that we will see a much more higher spikes into the gold prices from here. But again, if you see this particular candle, let me just delete it again. Okay, so if you have seen this particular candle, if prices are falling short here and if respecting after this channel, then we may expect prices fall down up to 33-39 price zone as well, which was previously acted and supported in the Asian session in the morning of Tokyo session as well. Okay, so this will be the key support for all of you, for all the day traders and for all the swing traders as well, those who are trying to catch the movements. But right now let me give you a key support and resistance level for today. And if you're coming for the first time, guys, please do not like to forget to subscribe the channel, and also let me know in the comment section box where you are expecting gold on the upside or on the sell side or a downside. So the key support level resistance level will be this one, 3345. This will be the first acted as a first support level. I'm just giving you a little bit of margin of error, because we never know if sometimes of this kind of spike happen and then prices will bounce back. This kind of things happen mostly into the whenever the market is on the sideways trend. Okay, so this will be working as a strong support level for today, 3346. If prices beat this, then we can expect the prices can go down up to 33 uh, 40, and if also if this level breach, we can expect the much lower side, that is today's low, that is 3323. This might be the final support for today. So let me mention it here, the text wise support. One second. Okay, so support is at 3340. If that bridge, we may expect 3325. Now if we talk about resistance will be always as the highest point of today, and that is 3358. If 3358 breach, we can expect much more price increasing up to 3370, and if that also breach, we can expect 3390 or 3400 levels as well. Now if we talk about today's scenario, if we talk about today's scenario, why I'm talking about this is just a 30 minutes chart, guys. Okay, let me zoom it to you for all of you. See, if price beat this particular range of 3353, and if price is consolidating here, I am expecting little bit of downside movement, and then price will push up again here to retest this level 3368, 3370. That's why I have mentioned 3370 as a second strong resistance level for today. Okay, and because of all the newses which you are watching right now, like beyond of falling US treasury yield, cautious about market, let me just show you a DXY chart as well. So you can see DXY is also showing some strength from the downside, and because of the treasury yield and cautious market sentiments are ahead, the high stake meeting between Donald Trump and Zelensky, right, that is the Ukraine president. Helsinki is also like, this particular meeting is the most important meeting which will going to be happen in the upcoming future, as already the US and Russia meeting was came as a bit profitable for both the nations, but still there are some confusions related with a war situation. So geopolitical tensions are still there, and whenever there is geopolitical tension, gold will again started rising. In all cases, gold will rise, and inflation, gold will rise. So that's why gold is always a safe side haven for all the investors. Okay, so if we talk about the Ukrainian president and European leaders and Ukraine peace talks, that will going to be happened again, and President Donald Trump statements are also very important. So you can see, despite a high of DXY, you can see gold is also trading towards on a bullish momentum only. So overall, the moment on a buy side, we can expect some sort of a bounce back from here to retest the resistance maybe of today and tomorrow. So keep your positions alive as per your risk appetite. Now let's get back to US oil. US oil, if you see US oil, after giving, after a meeting of President Trump and Putin, there was a very heavy price talk going on related with the US oil, and because of that, you can see a big gap into the prices of US oil. Now, if we talk about US support and resistance level, if we talk about support level, then 6380, or we can say 6380 or 64 will be working as a strong resistance zone for in the London session and New York session. And if we talk about a support area is near about this area 62 to 61 price range. So this will be working as a resistance level, and this will be working as a support level because it has been retested again previously. So it might be, let me just delete all the drawings. So this will be uh, this will be sorry, resistance level, and this will be acted as the new support level and resistance level. So prices may be falling and parting in this particular range only. So 60 to 30 will be the main important support zone for crude oil prices, and 64 as a resistance zone. So keep track according to that, and it might be possible that we will give some sort of a buying position into the crude oil prices. So you can follow us on our Telegram channel as well. This is our Telegram channel ID, Fortune Signals underscore admin. You can reach out to me here if you want to join our free trial, free channels access if you need, and if you need a free signals as well, WhatsApp number is also available in the YouTube description box. You can reach out to me there as well. So we will going to add you in our Telegram channel. Now let's get back to the BTC USD chart. BTC USD, you can see there was a spike happened on 14th of August, and after that you can see a clear price range shortfall around 6,000 points, and then after consolidating here, you can again see the prices are going down, and almost today, after we witnessed almost 2000 points movement, $2700, sorry, 2700 points already a movement happened into the gold, BTC USD prices. So what will be the next support and resistance level? Let's find out. If we see 1,18,000 and 1,16,000 will be working as a strong support for the prices of BTC. So now in the London session, if we talk about the London session scenario, 1,18,000, 1,90,000 will be retested multiple times, and 1,14,000, this is a 1,14,700 will be working as a strongest support for today. If that particular level breach, we can expect we can expect much more volatility on the downside in the prices of BTC USD. So this sort of movement happened after a fall, prices consolidating, and the trend will continue. So it might be possible it will going to retest this, and then prices will fall back again. So price pullback will be a possible, and you can see the strong price pullback in the BTC USD prices. However, second scenario, if prices are reacting, if buyers are actively pushing up the prices from here, if buyers are actively pushing up the prices from here after facing a resistance, then it might be possible the price range again entered into this channel. So if prices are pushing up by the buyers from here, then the next target will be 1,24,000 again into the BTC. Because if you extend the margin for the 1 day, if you see a 1 day chart, it's a clear cut buying zone scenario. You can see the volumes are on the buy side. So after a consolidation spike, then consolidation, then a spike, so this kind of movement happened in BTC. We have usually seen it, so we can expect much more volatility. Now if we talk about gold, I am expecting some sort of bullish momentum here. If you're coming for the first time on our channel, please do not like and subscribe the channel, and you're already known the WhatsApp number is also available in the YouTube description box, so you can reach out to me there as well. Till then, bye bye, see you guys, see you on the next video on a daily analysis. Thank you.